The Ford Mustang GTD is a story of audacious style that's 100% driven by the need to go as fast as possible around the track. I'm Greg Goodall, Mustang GTD Chief Engineer, here to show you the secret to its supercar performance, the drag reduction system. This system actively balances the need for sleek aerodynamics to go fast, while also creating downforce to maintain grip. For sharp turns, where grip is important, the system closes the main wing element and front flaps. Meanwhile, the underbody aerofloor uses strakes to funnel air from under the vehicle to the sides of the car, and through large fender louvers in the wheel well. All of this coming together increases downforce, gluing the car to the tarmac. When all-out speed is important on the straightaway, the drag reduction system activates. Opening the rear wing to reduce drag and downforce, it also opens special front underbody flaps to slow the airflow under the car, decreasing the front downforce so the vehicle remains balanced. This technology helps Mustang GTD constantly optimize performance to deliver the fastest lap times of any Mustang ever.
Now look at this. Madness the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run.